Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. That means Margie was completely disappointed because he hoped that the county inspector, when the county inspector came to her house, he would take the machine to his house to repair it, because he had taken Tommy's teacher. Once he had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the same problem, the history sector had blanked out completely for Tommy's teacher. But here Margie had also hoped the same, but it did not happen here. The county inspector had repaired there itself within an hour. For that, Margie was completely disappointed. Again the classes would be starting. The teacher was ready. Yes, next passage. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school? What is the need of writing about school? What is there to write about school? Generally, when I ask you to write about school, you can write many things. Many funny things are there. You can write about your school building, you can write about your school, you can write about your teachers, your friends, and the what not. You can write about many things." But she was telling that. She told Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school? What is there to write about school? Nothing is there for her only, not for us." Passage, paragraph 6. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Superior means, see that, like an officer, a high officer, superior eyes. "Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago." He added loftily, that means in the superior way, like an officer, pronouncing the word carefully, "centuries ago." Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Stupid, it's not our kind of school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Centuries ago. These kind of schools were existed in centuries ago. It's not our type of school." Margie was hurt with his words. "Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all at that time ago. I don't like to know about what kind of school they had all that time ago. But I don't like to know about them." She read the book over his shoulders for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher. Just move on to the next part. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man," Tommy said. "Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher like us. It was not a mechanical teacher like us, like our teacher. It was a man, it was a human being." "A man? How could a man be a teacher?" She did not know about this all. "A man? How could a man be a teacher? How could a man teach the lessons? A man?" Then Tommy replied that, "Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. That's it."